Keto Cheesy Pizza Cups recipe. 1 ounce of full-fat cream cheese, 1 1/2 cups of hand-grated whole milk mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 large beaten egg, 1/3 cup of pizza sauce, 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/8 cup of mini pepperoni slices. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large microwave-safe bowl, combine the cream cheese and mozzarella. Microwave for 1 minute, stopping several times to stir. Add in the beaten egg and quickly stir until a ball has formed. Knead by hand, adding additional almond flour if needed, until lightly sticky. Divide the dough into 8 pieces. Set a piece between 2 sheets of greased parchment paper and roll out with a rolling pin. Repeat with the rest, then press each piece of dough into greased muffin tins to form small dough cups. Bake for 15 minutes until golden brown. Remove from oven and top each with sauce, cheddar, and pepperoni. Return to oven for 5 minutes until the cheese melts. Remove from muffin tins. Check the description below for more great keto recipes. Cheers!